जी, हमारे किड्जी स्कूल का उद्घाटन हो रहा है। इसमें हमारे प्ले ग्रुप का एंड फर्स्ट टू फिफ्थ एलिमेंट्री स्कूल है हमारा और यहाँ बच्चों के लिए सारी सुविधाएँ हैं। हर तरीके से उनका फिज़िकली डेवलपमेंट
किड्जी के नॉर्म के अनुसार हमारे यहाँ सारी सुविधाएं उपलब्ध हैं एंड बच्चे आएंगे उनके लिए जो प्ले ग्रुप का होना चाहिए वो सब है।
We would like to inform everyone that on the 20th of April, Sunday, we're having the grand opening of our Kids Institution. So we request your gracious presence on that day. Admissions open है, हमारी classes next week से start हो रही हैं. As soon as we have the opening ceremony, we are planning to, we have our teachers and everyone hired over here already. We have our kids ready, and probably from next week we are starting our classes.
Myself, Dr. Aisha Fatima. I am the principal of this school, and I'm feeling very pleased and delighted that I'm going to announce that I'm going to open a Kidsy Elementary School, which will be based on the play group to class 5 as well. And each and everything is we are going to follow the Kidsy norms and rules and regulation as such. Here we give the chance and opportunity to the student to develop their mental, physical, and as well as their development and growth in their life. We are going to give all the facilities who is provided by the Kidsy. So here it is a very eco-friendly environment as such. We are going to provide and develop the career and the future of the students as such for, because education is their strength. And if you collapse with any good brands and any good institution on the organization as well, so each and every thing should be dependent upon the norms. And the standard of the Kidsy is spread all over the India. We're talking about the pan India. So Kidsy is a school where you can send your student and they will learn the basic things in their life, how to interact with teachers, societies, and how to develop themselves personally, to develop their personality, encourage their knowledge and nourish their personality as such. We are going to open a school. Thank you so much.
और यहाँ पे क्लास प्ले से क्लास 5 तक का है यहाँ पे एग्जाम, और यहाँ पे की पढ़ाई तो A1 है, आप सबको पता है, और आसपास के एरिया में कहीं पर भी इस लेवल की स्कूल नहीं है। इस एरिया में वन ऑफ द काइंड है, और स्पेशली यहाँ पे हम लोग टीचर्स को जो अपॉइंट किए हैं सब ट्रेंड हैं, सारे लोग एजुकेटेड हैं और बहुत अच्छा है, सब में एक्सपीरियंस है।